Welcome to Learn English channel. My name is Sharif. Today is our third lesson about phrasal verbs. Let's begin. Angle 4. Meaning, try to get something indirectly. Examples. She was angling for a promotion by working late and volunteering for extra projects. This implies she was trying to get a promotion indirectly by making her efforts noticeable. The politician is angling for votes by promising lower taxes and improved services. This implies he's trying to win votes by making promises that appeal to voters. She angled for a discount by pointing out a small flaw in the product. This suggests she tried to get a discount by subtly drawing attention to a flaw, rather than directly asking for a lower price. He was angling for a promotion by always volunteering for extra projects and praising his boss's decisions. This means trying to get something by using clever or indirect methods. Answer back. Meaning, to reply rudely. Examples. It's rude to answer back to your parents in that tone. This means to reply impolitely or disrespectfully to someone in authority. Even though she was angry, she didn't answer back. This means she refrained from replying disrespectfully, even though she was provoked. He answered back sharply, defending his point of view. This means he replied quickly and forcefully, perhaps even aggressively, to defend his opinion. The child answered back to his mother when she told him to clean his room, which earned him a stern talking to. This means to reply rudely or disrespectfully. Answer 4. Meaning, held responsible. Examples. The company will have to answer for the pollution it caused. This means the company will be held responsible and potentially face consequences for the pollution. You'll have to answer for your actions. This means you will be held accountable for what you've done and may face punishment or consequences. He had to answer for the missing money. This means he had to explain what happened to the money and take responsibility for its disappearance, whether through negligence, theft, or other means. The manager had to answer for the team's poor performance during the quarterly review. This means to be held responsible for something. That's all we have for this lesson. If you have any questions or inquiries, don't hesitate to ask. Please drop that down in the comments. Please do not forget to subscribe, like and share. Goodbye.